Hi everyone, this is KT here. Today is October 27th, first day of the trading week. Let's take a look at how the watch list is doing here. VIX, the CBOE volatility index, minus 2.38%. Seems like generally the price action of the market is quite bullish here. Significant moves that I see is SoFi plus 2.38%. Guess it has to do with the earnings release later in the day after the trading session ends. GLD continues to be overextended, and it's time for GLD to start to retrace. So it's minus 2.89% here for GLD. JD plus 3.07% due to the China and America trade talks that's going well and smoothly. Hope for better news so that JD can moon. Next, NBIS plus 3.38%, quite a significant move here. It's quite on a very good bullish momentum for NBIS here. Somehow also plus 2.73% on a bullish momentum here. Hopefully, it will continue its momentum. Uh, POET minus 6.74%, 7.4 minus 6.74% here. A bearish price action here. Not sure why is this so. Have to find out about it. But this is a good chance for me to sell cash ticket puts for POET or maybe buy more calls here. Overall, my position in POET is still positive here. Nevertheless, let's take a look at the trades that has been placed. Well, today was a structured rotation. Just doing some trimming defensive convexity and reloading gold insurance, and also widening income lanes through POET. There's no new risk added, just optimization, rolling where it pays and layering where the book stays strong. So let's take a look at NBIS here. So I started with NBIS. What I did here is that for NBIS, I closed my $100 puts here, expiring August 31st, and there's a debit of 0.43 here. But I sold $110 struck price. That means I stack up another $10 here. But I reduced the amount of contracts here at a credit about 1.33. So overall, it's still a net positive gain. Here will free up some excess liquidity for NBIS. Next, for NBIS, sold more NBIS puts expiring November 7 at 110 here, just to get a credit of 3.22. Yep. So all this is just is to keep the convexity alive, but lean slightly bullish for NBIS. It's a deliberate leave of delta while collecting richer short-term premium. So essentially, I traded duration for you here. Okay, so that's for NBIS. Next for GLD, I just roll from October 31st to November 14th. Same strike price here, got a credit about 1.5 here. So I just roll the protection forward. It the structure is still defensive, but theta now works harder. Insurance but optimized. So I'm still bullish on gold here, and I'm going to continue to always roll at the same strike price till gold recovers back up to 380 or even 400. So it's going to be a long battle for GLD here. Next, Poet, I've been toying with 7.5 and 6.5 here just to check how's the premium collected. But I figured out that I want to sell cash ticket puts for Poet, expiring this week at 7.5, got a credit of 0.34. And then I tried to experiment with selling puts for Poet at 6.5 here with probably a profit maybe higher than 90 to 95% here. So unless Poet crash, then I will have to pick this up. But this is just to get extra free cash here. So it's just like a classic wheel setup, and it's deep out of the money anchors for income for this $6.50, $6.5 put here. So is these short puts will fuel liquidity without stressing out the margin here. So I think that's all for today here. Just pretty much only one, two, three, about four counters here. It wasn't about chasing any direction, just precision control. So NBIS, I actually tightened the risk here. GLD just extended theta, extended insurance, and Poet just added more to increase the yield here. So I think that's all for today. So remember to like this YouTube video and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and turn on your notification bell. Have a great day, everyone. Signing off here.